let's define what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a conversational AI software developed by OpenAI. The terms ChatGPT, GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and currently as I am recording this, we have the Model 4, which is ChatGPT 4, which is a paid version, a pro version of it, and it's called ChatGPT 4 Plus. However, you do not have to pay for that one because you already have a free one. I personally use the free one and it's super helpful, especially if you're a beginner. ChatGPT OpenAI, the free version is enough. Before I go any further, let me show you how to use ChatGPT OpenAI. Using ChatGPT is pretty easy. You just go on your browser and you type in chatopenai.com and it's going to direct you onto this page in case you've created an account. In case you do not have an account, it's going to direct you on a page where you're going to create your account using your email or your phone number, and it's going to bring you here after you create an account. Now this is where you do the magic. This pop-up here is where you type in any question you may have and it's going to give you the answers immediately. For example, you can type how to make money on TikTok and it's going to break it down for you very easy and give you very strong points. So you can type this anything here and it's going to give you an answer. You can also as well type how to grow your Instagram account and it's going to give you the answers right away, and it's going to give you very strong point and very practical point. So that's how you use ChatGPT OpenAI. In case you don't know, you can use ChatGPT to get any answer or even to write an article on any even question, even academic questions. You can use ChatGPT to get answers. You can also use it to generate content ideas, for example, YouTube video ideas, blog ideas, TikTok video ideas, Instagram content ideas, just anything. You can also use it to create a strategy for your business. Still use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas according to your industry. For example, if your business is a service business, the ChatGPT is able to help create very good marketing ideas regarding to the services that you offer. If it's a product business, the ChatGPT will also help you be able to come up with marketing ideas according to what you sell, and it's going to help even be able to target correctly.